In the vast and exciting world of cars, people often say one very famous phrase: Miata is always the answer. What started as a simple internet joke among car lovers has now become a big truth for drivers everywhere. No other affordable sports car gives you this much pure driving fun across 4 different generations. Before we look deeply at why this light Japanese car is so special, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Also, do not forget to check the special links in the description below to join our community and see more exclusive content. Now, let us look closely at Mazda and see why the Miata is always the right choice for every car enthusiast. To understand the magic of the Mazda Miata, we must go back to 1989 when the first model came out. At that time, many British sports cars were unreliable and expensive to maintain every single year. Big supercar brands were only focusing on making heavy cars with massive power and high top speeds. Mazda wanted to try a completely different idea for normal, everyday drivers. They wanted to build a tiny roadster that was super light, very simple, and extremely fun to drive on twisty roads. They followed a famous Japanese design idea called Jinba Ittai, which means the rider and horse moving together as one body. Weighing under 1,000 kilograms with cool pop-up headlights and rear-wheel drive, the first NA Miata was a massive success. It proved to the world that you do not need 500 horsepower or a high price tag to enjoy driving. The steering felt direct and honest, while the 5-speed manual gearbox was exceptionally smooth and easy to shift. Over the years, some critics complained that the Miata was too slow in a straight line compared to American muscle cars. They said it lacked aggressive design and could not win fast drag races against heavy modern sports cars. But these critics missed the whole point of what makes a sports car truly great to drive on real roads. Even the most famous automotive journalists fell in love with this lightweight Japanese roadster almost immediately. The most famous TV host in the world, Jeremy Clarkson, has praised the Mazda MX-5 for many decades. He has driven the fastest supercars on Earth, but he always returns to the simple joy of the Miata. Jeremy Clarkson famously declared that if you want a true sports car, the Mazda MX-5 is absolute perfection. He wrote in his column that nothing on the road gives you better value for your money and nothing gives you so much happiness. Clarkson even joked that he wanted to give the car 14 stars out of 5 because it was just that good. Clarkson loved the MX-5 because it gave the driver real emotion without being fake, heavy, or overly complex. He praised the car for feeling light, active, and easy to control on narrow back roads at perfectly legal speeds. According to Clarkson, driving an MX-5 immediately makes you feel alive and reminds you why you fell in love with cars. What Clarkson understood better than most people is that too much horsepower can actually ruin the fun of everyday driving. In a modern supercar with 800 horsepower, you cannot push the pedal down without breaking speed laws instantly. But in a Miata, you can floor the gas pedal, shift through all gears, and hear the engine sing without going to jail. This simple philosophy of usable speed is the main reason why people say Miata is always the answer today. Whether you want an easy weekend cruiser, a cheap track car, or a fun daily driver, the MX-5 does everything well. It works perfectly for beginners, fast drivers, and daily commuters without asking for a huge bank loan. Think about the cost of owning a Miata compared to German competitors like the Porsche Boxster or BMW Z4. German sports cars can have very expensive engine problems, complex electrical issues, and scary repair bills at the mechanic. In sharp contrast, the Miata offers classic Japanese reliability that lets you sleep peacefully at night. Parts are cheap to buy, fixing basic mechanical items is simple, and you can buy endless modification parts online. You can work on this car in your own garage with simple hand tools on a lazy Sunday afternoon. It is an honest machine built to serve the driver rather than empty your wallet every month. Over the last 35 years, Mazda has kept the Miata light, simple, and pure through 4 different generations. The second generation, known as the NB, added a stronger chassis and removed the pop-up headlights for better safety. The third generation NC brought a roomier cabin, modern safety features, and a punchy 2-liter engine for longer highway trips. Then came the newest generation, called the ND, which performed an incredible engineering miracle in the modern car industry. Mazda engineers managed to remove weight from the car, making it almost as light as the original model from 1989. They rejected the industry trend of making new cars heavier, bigger, and more complicated with every new update. The current ND Miata features a high-revving engine with 180 horsepower in a super light package. It has aggressive modern styling, uses very little gasoline, and allows you to open the soft top with one hand in 2 seconds. It is a breath of fresh air in a modern world dominated by big, heavy, and boring electric SUVs. When you drive an ND Miata on a sunny morning, the car responds to your movements with incredible speed. The front end turns into corners instantly, giving you complete confidence on tight mountain roads. The brake pedal feels firm and precise, allowing you to control your speed with millimeter accuracy. Another great thing about owning a Miata is joining one of the friendliest car communities in the entire world. When you take your MX-5 to a local car show, people are always happy to talk and share their builds. There is no showing off, no toxic ego, and no snobbery about who has the most expensive badge on their key. Every time you pass another Miata on the road, drivers usually wave at each other with a big smile. You share a special moment because you both know a secret truth about cars that other drivers miss. You are not driving a show-off car to look wealthy outside a fancy hotel. You chose your car purely for joy. It shows that you value lightweight balance, driver connection, and open-air freedom far more than expensive brand logos. You care about how a car feels through your hands and feet rather than what people think about your status. That mindset creates a bond between Miata owners that you rarely find in other automotive communities. Many modern sports cars are slowly losing their souls by becoming heavy computers on wheels with automatic transmissions everywhere. They isolate you from the road with synthetic engine sounds played through interior speakers and complex electronic stability systems. They try to do all the driving work for you, turning you into a passive passenger in your own vehicle. The simple Mazda Miata stands tall as a proud defender of pure traditional driving values in the modern age. It keeps your hands on a real gear shifter, your feet on 3 pedals, and your eyes locked onto the road ahead. It reminds us that driving was never meant to be a boring chore, but an exciting human adventure. When you drive with the top down, you feel the cool wind in your hair and smell the forest air around you. You hear the engine rev up to 7,000 RPM as you execute a perfect heel and toe downshift into a sharp corner. That feeling of harmony between human and machine is something money simply cannot buy in heavier, more expensive vehicles. So when a friend asks what fun sports car they should buy on a reasonable budget, the answer remains crystal clear. The classic internet joke turned out to be absolute wisdom. The Miata is always the ultimate answer for car lovers. It remains one of the greatest, most important, and most joyful sports cars ever created in automotive history. If you are thinking about buying one, do not hesitate to take a test drive and feel the magic yourself. Once you experience how light, responsive, and playful this car feels on an open road, you will understand everything. You will realize that true driving happiness has nothing to do with huge horsepower numbers or expensive luxury badges. To make sure you never miss our simple car stories, buyer guides, and deep reviews, hit that subscribe button right now. Also, do not forget to check the special links in the description below to support our channel and join our community. Until next time, enjoy your driving, cherish simple mechanical cars, and we will see you on the open road.